Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the second part of my haul video, so if you haven't seen the first part, please do go back and watch it. I have linked it below and in the cards at the end, so please do see that. I just want to say I hope you had a great Christmas and all the best for the next year. For my Christmas present, my birthday present was my birthday is a few weeks before Christmas. I got given I got help with my pre-order from Stampin' Up, and this is the new catalogue that goes live on the 4th of January. If you want a copy, then send me a message down below or click onto my website and on the contact me button and you can request one there and I'll get one out to you this week. So this is it. I can't show the inner pages just yet because it hasn't gone live yet, but I can show you what I've got from it. Now, in my first video I showed you all my stamp sets, dies and punches, and now I'm going to show you all the rest of it basically. And this is the first piece here, papers, and this is called Heart and Home, and you can see you've got the colour on one side and then you've got like wood grain on the other. I really like this, it's so pretty. And then you've got these lovely florals, and then the green as well. So that's the papers there. And the colours in this are basic grey, cinnamon cider, fresh freesia, garden green, misty moonlight, pale papaya, and basic white. So this is my next piece. As you can see, this was one of my birthday presents. I've already started to use some of it. Take away those scraps. I keep my scraps with my main paper. So you've got this, which I love. You can cut out all these hearts. You'd have a ton of embellishments. And then you've got this paper, and then this one that I've used already. I think this is my favourite. So bright and happy. And you've got all these hearts. This is also another favourite. I love it. I like bright, bold colours. They really sing to me. So that is the heart paper, and it's called Sweet Talk, and its colours are Blushing Bride, Granny Apple Green, Highland Heather, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Real Red, and So Saffron. Now, my favourite paper in the whole catalogue is this tulip paper. I love tulips, they're my favourite ever flower, and this paper is just me. I love it. Look at that, isn't it gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. And you've got two each, obviously. Look at these. Oh, I can't wait for tulip time. I take so many pictures of the tulips every year. I've got hundreds of pictures of tulips. I love them so much. Look at these. Even in my planner that I have, where I could design my own cover, I've got tulips on the cover. Look at this. I love this. Isn't it just this distressed red? Look at the fields of tulips here. And if you don't want so much as your background, or as your background you find it's too much, this is great, but you can just cut out strips here with the different colours and just use a strip as well, which is really fun. And then you've got the back, the grid, and then you've got these gorgeous tulips here, and then this lovely background. So really, really fun paper. And the colours in this are Calypso Coral, Evening Evergreen, Fresh Freesia, Highland Heather, Mango Melody, Pear Pizzazz, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Popper Parade, Pumpkin Pie, Rich Raspberry, Soft Succulent, and So Saffron. So a lovely mix. So that's my papers. So let me show you the few other bits here. This is the Real Red ribbon, and this is called the Faux Linen ribbon. And then we have here the white frayed ribbon, and then we have some other embellishments. Let's go through them. These are the brushed brass butterflies, and these, don't know if you can see, are very iridescent rhinestones, and you can see they're very iridescent. Then we have these. I love these. Whoops. These are my resin star embellishments. Really like that. And then you've got some doilies here as well, in a variety of colours. These are the Heart and Home doilies. Let me show you these because I think these are dinky. Sorry about the crinkling. You've got here in the different colours like cinnamon cider, I think this is meant to be Evening Evergreen, and Misty Moonlight. They're the colours of that collection. Really fun to use. You can use these just behind a focal point just to give a little bit of added detail and interest. And then we have these. These are great. These are the frosted beads embellishments. Look at these. They're actually little beads. These will be great for shaker pockets. And then we have these, which are the Sparkle and Shine Sequin Assortment. I love sequins because it little goes so far. Look at those. And again, lovely for shaker pockets or for adding a bit of sparkle to your cards. Okay, and then one of my favourite things here are these new, well, they're called Butterflies and Flowers Layering Decorative Masks. Stencils, in other words. And you've got here, you can see it easily on this white. Lovely. You can see you can have the outline here and then you can add the detail, and you see the same trick here, here, and then you can see these here. Look at those. Aren't they amazing? It's going to be, look at that. You use this with embossing paste through it, and you colour your embossing paste. You will just, it'll give you an amazing background. And this year I've started a new series called Focus Friday, and every Friday we'll be focusing on a different technique around a series of products. So the first month is embossing folders, and the second month is going to be colouring, and then there'll be 1 month we'll be using stencils, and I'll be showing every week a different technique using, for example, the stencils or the embossing folders, etc. So don't forget to subscribe to the videos. It will make a huge difference to my channel, and you'll be able to see all of those lovely techniques, give you some inspiration and help. Okay, so that's everything else. There is one more video to come, and that's going to be celebration, and I'll explain all about celebration in that video. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and please stay tuned for the next video. Bye.